Kani gadega Pati CCTV, bat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasngi.
Saint Dominic Higher Secondary School Mokhar nek sngi ka arpulai tere gurumpang kala pelong ya kejingi lekai sport ha Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium Polo ha kabau Archbishop Dominic Jala ulalong ukongsan ha gini sngi ha kejingi don lang jong ufada Jamiris Shilla kisistar kinohikai bat kikmi kikpa ka Yellow House kabla yo ar spa arpun Rio Point kala long kala do menta ka kenti kabuan baar ketika Blue House ar spa South Point ke greenhouse haka kerdan balai kala yo hispa Prapuai Point haka match paspat ya ka nam la do lara da ka Blue House haka liang jeng shenrang kat ba haka liang jeng kikin thaipat lara da ka Red House ka Discipline House pat la yo da ka Yellow House hadin ke jing sami khusnam chiginong job wa Archbishop Dominic Jala ula penhap no ya kalama pat penbana ba ka sport jong ka Saint Dominic High Secondary School kala poi shek bakun.
I would like to pray and hope that as our young people continue to grow in the school, as they also try to excel in many other fields, there will be also people who bring about closer unity within our society. The school is composed of especially young people who come from all kinds of backgrounds. We share maybe the same ethnic entity, but we certainly have all different kinds of backgrounds, but we come together as one human family. In the world today, in which many people get divided on account of various ideologies or various sorts of interests, we need to continue to show that a school can stand united, a school becomes an instrument of unity among all peoples. I wish once again that the school will continue to excel in all fields that it seeks to perform, and I'd like to ask the Lord also to continue to bless you all. May you, your school, continue to shine in our society today.
Giving the salute. Here are the girls of the higher secondary section giving salute now. Let's put our hands together for our seniors. in the stage we have the Green House, represented by
Teachers Wolf, Habab, Habab, Habab. Teachers for Yellow House, Habab. Hooray!